I'm just blown away. I'm already impressed by this. This is cool. It just feels like the music's just in the room. Hey, my name is Bodie. I'm an artist and music producer from Orange County, California. I was the first place loser on Voice Season 22. I was the runner-up. I wasn't planning on getting past the first round or the second or the third, and I found myself in the finale. It's really launched my career for the better, and I recently signed to an amazing label. My career is now just getting started because of it. It's been awesome. The level of execution and how music's being produced these days is at a higher quality. And so for me, it's really important that where I'm listening to my music back from is at a high quality, so I can really hear all of the pieces. It's really hard to do that on a bad pair of speakers. So when I walked into Sonance, I was just kind of open-minded at first. I was like, all right, blow me away, let's see.
All right, Bodie, welcome to the Sonance Music Room.
Killer. Then as we walked through the sizes, shapes, options, down to the invisible speakers, my mind just kept exploding. And I think I said crazy like 20 times in that room because it was crazy. Really crazy. Crazy. Crazy.
Now,
crazy. That's crazy. 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 That's crazy. The fact that you can get the quality and make it look kind of however you want. Wow. Which one is this right now?
That happens to be that little speaker right there, that little 3 and...
Really?
Yeah.
That's a lot of sound.
Yeah.
Perfectly even. Basically perfectly even. Now coming here and checking out the stuff, like this is more than just like a speaker. It really is like the experience. Oh yeah, you had me as soon as I walked in. I was like, this place is cool. I'm straight up repping you guys right now. I'm like just gassing you up. It's true though, I was sick. I'm just trying to figure out how you do it. I think one of the most important, if not the most important thing for me is clarity and bass, low end. As a producer and even just as a consumer, as just how I like to listen to my music. I have to have the top end, and then having that punch is crucial. That's killer. The low end's so consistent too throughout the room. What intrigued me the most in the space was the invisible speaker, because you didn't lose any of that, but you can't see it. It's just a flat wall, and you go up and feel it punching you, but you can't see it. And it blows my mind that you could throw paint over that, you could throw wallpaper over that. I still don't buy the invisible one in my brain.
Okay, so what we're listening to right now is 4 invisibles up above our head. Okay. And I'm gonna kick the subwoofer on and off.
The sub's not even on yet?
That's no sub.
Are you serious?
That's just the invisibles.
Okay.
And now we'll kick the subwoofers on. Now there's another level of bass that travels through the room. Yeah.
It doesn't compute. It got my mind thinking like, I would want this in my studio. As reference speakers, as party speakers, getting this in the house just to really bump music even louder than my normal monitors would be able to do. I could mix on that, like it sounds amazing, yeah. I write all my music with like the live show in mind. I picture jumping in the crowd, making sure everyone's out of breath by the end of the song. So when I'm listening back, I'm wondering, like, is this capturing that essence? Is this capturing that goal? I feel like my music serves a purpose to kind of help shift an atmosphere or shift a mindset. And so it's really important when people are listening back that they get that same experience. I'm constantly thinking about how I can write something that's expressive and emotive and moving. And when I write a song and they send me the song back, what we wrote, what we recorded, it's a very unique feeling. I get so excited, so proud. And when I listen back, and I hear all the things that we worked on, all the emotions I poured into it, it just reminds me of my purpose. It reminds me of why I do what I do, and I truly believe that life is better with music.